Hi, welcome to Pausa. I'm seminarian James Boback, and during this series of short videos, we're going to be talking about how to make time for prayer in the midst of our crazy, non-stop world. The ironic thing is that we seem to be doing more and more when technology has made it so we need to be doing less and less. Nature abhors a vacuum, and so we're constantly trying to fill silence with any distraction we can find. And as a result, we're drowning in a flood of noise. And we've grown accustomed to being pushed and pulled by every single wave of distraction that comes our way, instead of being anchored in something that really centers us. This brings us to prayer. Prayer is that vital and personal relationship with the living God. And it only happens if we spend time with Him. The word holy means set apart. If we don't have a holy hour or time set apart for God, then guess what's going to happen? Nature is going to take its course, and other things are going to fill that void. This is why we need to defend that time, because so many other things are going to be fighting for it. We need to have time carved out in our day for our God. We need to have that time to raise our hearts and minds to God and rise above all the noise and chaos. I know it's not easy in our super fast-paced world, but this week I want you to try something. After this video is done, I want you to set your phone timer for 3 minutes, 180 seconds. And during that time, do nothing. Let nothing fill that time, except spending time with God. Try to do this for the next week and see what happens. Until next time, I thank you for watching, and remember to be still and know that He is God.